Let's fix if your Instagram account was disabled. Now, if you're trying to open up the Instagram app and you find that it's giving you this message, maybe you violated the terms of service of the Instagram app and your account was now disabled, I'll show you how to get it back. But first, hit that subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks, guys. So you might be seeing a message that looks kind of like this. It says, error, your account has been disabled for violating our terms. Learn more and learn about how to restore your specific account. And of course, you can just hit that learn more button to get a bit more information about why it might have been disabled and how to get it back. But keep in mind, the best option here is to submit a report or submit a help ticket to Instagram to get them to try to basically restore your account. So let's hop out of here and we're going to bring up Safari or Chrome. I just typed in Instagram account disabled. Now, the key thing here is that you need to go to the right specific page. So I went to a couple of these, but it is this third page on here. And I can tap on my account was deactivated. If you believe your account was deactivated by mistake, please provide the following information so we can investigate. Please only submit this form if your account was deactivated and for not following Instagram's community guidelines. So what we can say is, do you have a valid ID? I'll say yes. And then here we can enter in our full name, your Instagram username, your email address, what country you are from, and keep basically your ID. So we'll hit choose files here and then upload your specific photo ID. Now you need a government issued ID like a passport or a driver's license. And then after all of that, you can say, I understand I can't get help if I don't have a valid ID, and then hit send. Now, by going through these specific steps, Instagram will get a basically report saying that you want to recover your account. Here's a photo ID of your specific account. They need to verify that you own it. It has your name associated with that account, all of that stuff. But basically, fill out this information and you should hear something back in the next, say, 2 to 5 business days. It usually takes about that amount of time for you to get a response back, and there might be some back and forth, and hopefully they'll be able to help get your account from being temporarily locked. Hope this helps. If you have any questions on that, leave them in the comments down below, and I'll catch you on the next one.